እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች። በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው 10ኛ ክፍል የኬሚስትሪ ትምህርት ዩኒት 2 ነው። ዩኒት 2 ሶሉሽኖች ስላለ እዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ 250 ጥያቄዎችን አዘጋጅተናል። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም በአጭር ጊዜና በቀላሉ እንድትዘጋጁ የሚያግዟቸው ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ኬሚስትሪ ብቻ ሳይሆን ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችንም ከ9ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ላይ እያዘጋጀ እንገኛለን። ሁሉንም እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ መከታተል ትችላላችሁ። ለዛሬ የምናየው ፓርት 2 ነው። በአጠቃላይ ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ይህ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። ይህን መጽሐፍ በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። ለአሁኑ ወደ ቶፒኩ እንለፍ። 31 which intermolecular force is strongest among the following? Dispersion force, dipole-dipole interaction, hydrogen bonding, ion-dipole interactions. D ion-dipole interactions ይሄኛው strongest ነው። So ion-dipole forces are generally strongest among the common intermolecular forces. 32 why is carbon dioxide non-polar despite having polar bonds? Because it is a gas. B because it forms hydrogen bonds. C because the dipoles cancel due to linear shape. D because oxygen is less electronegative than carbon. C because the dipoles cancel due to linear shape. Okay, the linear geometry causes dipoles to cancel out, making carbon dioxide a non-polar molecule. 33 what is the primary forces responsible for a limited solubility of oxygen in water? A ion dipole forces. B dipole induced dipole interactions. C hydrogen bonding. D equivalent bonding. B dipole induced dipole interactions. Okay, so oxygen is non-polar and become slightly soluble due to dipole induced dipole interactions with water. 34 which of the following combinations is the most likely to form a solution? Oil and water, sodium chloride and hexane. C hydrochloric acid and water. D iodine ethanol. C HCl and water. Okay, HCl is a polar and ionizes in polar water. Okay, this result is a favorable ion dipole interactions. Okay. 35 what is the net energy change in the solution process dependent on? A the molecular weight of the solute. B the ionization energy of the solute. C the enthalpy of solute and solvent breaking versus solvent formation. D the melting point of the solvent. C the enthalpy of solute and solvent breaking versus solvent formation. Okay, so the net energy depends on the balance of energy required to break existing forces and released when new forces formed. 36 which of the following will not dissolve readily in water? A CH3OH. B KBr. C NH3. D CCl4. D CCl4. Okay, Cl4 is non-polar and water is polar, so they do not interact and will do to mismatched polarity ማለት ነው። ፖላሪቲያቸው ከወተር ጋር ሚስማች ስለሚያደርግ this is not dissolve in water. 37 which force causes the attraction between NH3 molecules? A. Ion dipole interaction. B. Dipole dipole interaction. C. Hydrogen bonding. D. Dispersion forces only. C. Hydrogen bonding. Okay. NH3 has hydrogen bonding due to NH bond and lone pair on nitrogen. 38 which of the following best describes a physical not chemical change? A. Na plus chlorine, sodium chloride. B. Sodium chloride dissolving in water. C. Hydrogen reacting with water, oxygen. D. CH4 combustion in oxygen. B. ሶዲየም ክሎራይድ ዲዞልቭ ኢን ዋተር ፊዚካል ቼንጅ ነው። ይሄ ሶሉሽን ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው አይደለ? ሶ ዲሶሉሽን ኢዝ አ ፊዚካል ፕሮሰስ ዘ ሶሉት ቼንጅስ ፌዝ ኦር ሚክስስ በት ዳዝንት ኬሚካል ሪያክሽን ማለት ነው። ኬሚካሊ ሪያክት አያደርጉም እነዚህ አሁን ሶዲየም ክሎራይድ ዲዞልቪንግ ኢን ዋተር ዜ አር ኖት ኬሚካል ሪያክሽንስ። 39 which of the following is a non-covalent interaction? A. Covalent bond, ionic bond, metallic bond, hydrogen bond. D. Hydrogen bond. So hydrogen bonding is an example of non-covalent interactions. 40 what factor contributes most to entropy increase in solution process? A. Release of heat. B. Energy absorption. C. Increase in molecular disorder. D. Decrease in temperature. C. Mixing in molecular disorder. Okay, so mixing increases the randomness and disorder or entropy of the system. 41 which is not van der Waals force? A. Dipole dipole interaction, hydrogen bonding, ion dipole interaction. D. Dispersion force. C. Ion dipole interaction. Okay, so ion dipole interaction are not van der Waals forces, they are electrostatic. 42 why do hydrogen bonds only form with fluorine, oxygen and or nitrogen? A. They are very large atoms. B. They are very electronegative. C. They are metal atoms. D. They have small nuclear charges. B. They are very electronegative. Okay, so high electronegative and small atomic radius allows strong hydrogen bonding. 43 what term describes the ability of an atom or molecule's electron cloud to be distorted? Solubility, electronegativity, polarizability. D. Dispersion. C. Polarability. Okay, the polarability refers to how easily the electron cloud can be distorted. 44 which compound would form hydrogen bonds with water? Carbon dioxide, CH4, C2, CH6, CH3OH. D. CH3OH ወይም ደግሞ ሜታኖል ማለት ነው has OH group allowing hydrogen bonding with water ማለት ነው። 45 which of the following forces is responsible for solubility of noble gases in water? A. Ion dipole. B. Dipole dipole. C. Dipole induced dipole. D. Hydrogen bonding. ሲ dipole induced dipole. Okay, dipole induced dipole forces make very small amounts of noble gases soluble in water. 46. Which combination would most likely result in insoluble mixture? A. Water and NH3. B. Hexane and iodine. C. CH3OH and CH4. D. Water and Cl4. D. Water and Cl4. This is non-polar. CCl4 is non-polar, doesn't dissolve in water due to the mismatched polarity. ሁለቱ ፖላሪቲያቸው mismatched ስለሆነ CCl4 doesn't or ደግሞ can't dissolve in water. 47. What is required for solid particles to disperse in solvent? A. Hydrogen bond formation. B. Increase in temperature. C. Replacement of solute and solvent forces by solute solvent force. D. Increase in pressure. C. Replacement of solute and solvent force by solvent forces. Okay. Dissolution occurs when solute solvent interactions replace the original solute and solvent interactions. 48. Which property would most increase solubility of an ionic bond compound in water? A. Larger ionic radius. B. Presence of net dipole in compound. C. Formation of strong ion dipole interactions. D. Lower lattice energy. C. Strong ion dipole interactions increase like likelihood of dissolving in water. 49. Why do dispersion forces play a key role in non-polar molecules? A. Because they form ionic bonds. B. Because they have permanent dipoles. C. Because dispersion is the only intermolecular forces available. D. Because they are always stronger than hydrogen bonds. C. Because dispersion is only intermolecular forces available. 50. Which of the following explains the solubility of the CH3 CH2OH in water? A. Formation of dispersion forces. B. Hydrogen bonding with water molecules. C. Ionic bonding. D. Formation of micelles. B. Hydrogen bonding with water molecules. Okay. Ethanol can hydrogen bond with water due to SOH group እዚህ ጋር OH group ስላለ enhancing solubility ማለት ነው። 51. Which of the following salts is expected to be insoluble in water? A. Potassium nitrate. B. Ammonium carbonate. C. Sodium sulfate. D. Ag chloride. D. This Ag chloride የኛው Ag ፕላስ እና ክሎሪን ማይነስ ኢዝ ኤክሰፕሽን ኢን ሶሉቢሊቲ ሩል ማለት ነው። ሶ ይሄኛው Ag ክሎራይድ የሚለው ኢንሶሉብል ኢን ዋተር ማለት ነው። the rest all are dissolved in or soluble in water. 52. Which compound is most likely to be soluble in water? A. barium sulfate. B. bromide. Na carbonate. Calcium phosphate. C. Sodium carbonate. Okay, sodium salts are always soluble. So the others are either exceptions. እነዚህ ኤክሰፕሽንስ የሚባለው ባሪየም ሰልፌት and this one ፒቢ ብሮማይድ ኢንሶሉብል እንላቸዋለን ማለት ነው። 53 which ion pairing leads to slightly soluble hydroxide? A Na plus and OH minus. B calcium plus 2 and OH minus. C iron plus 2 OH. D aluminum plus 3 and OH. B calcium plus 2 and OH minus. Okay, so group 2A የሚባሉት hydroxides like calcium hydroxide are slightly soluble. The transition metals and aluminum plus 3 for insoluble hydroxides. 54 which of the following salts is not soluble in water? ammonium nitrate, potassium sulfate, iodide, sodium, iodine. C Pb iodide. Iodides are generally soluble except the Pb, Ag, copper and mercury የሚባሉት እነዚህ ከነሱ ውጭ ያለው ኢትስ ሶሉብል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 55 which is most likely to be soluble in hexane non-polar solvent? Glucose, sucrose, octadecane, ammonium nitrate. C octadecane, C18, H38. Non-polar compounds like solid hydrocarbons dissolve in non-polar solvents. 56 which of the following is miscible with water? Benzene, grain alcohol, ethanol, gasoline, oil. B green alcohol or ethanol. So ethanol is polar and form hydrogen bonds with water. So it's miscible. 57 which interaction is primarily responsible for miscibility between ethanol and water? A ion dipole interaction. B London dispersion forces. C hydrogen bonding. D dipole induced dipole. C hydrogen bonding. So both molecules form strong hydrogen bonds with each other. 58 which of the following explains why water is liquid while H2S is gas at room temperature? A H2S has stronger dipole moment. B water forms hydrogen bond. C water is non-polar. D H2S is heavier. B water forms hydrogen bonds. Okay, so hydrogen bonding in water raises boiling point significantly. 59 which of the following salts is expected to precipitate in a reaction between sodium chloride and Ag nitrate? A sodium nitrate, B sodium chloride, Ag chloride, Ag nitrate. C the Ag chloride is insoluble and forms white precipitate. 60 which of the following combination will result in immiscible mixture? A water ethanol, B gasoline water, water methanol, D water vinegar. B gasoline water. Okay, so non polar ይሄኛው ጋሶሊን non polar ነው፣ water ደግሞ polar ነው። so they don't mix ኢች አዘር ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ፓርት 2 በዚሁ ጨርሰናል። ፓርት 3 እና ሌሎችን ጥያቄዎች ይዘን እንቀርባለን። ጥያቄዎቹን የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ይሄ መጽሐፍ እዚህ ጋር ከምናቀርበው በተጨማሪ በርካታ ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። ይህን አጋዥ መጽሐፍ በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰቡ አብረን እንቀጥላለን። ኬሚስትሪ ብቻ ሳይሆን ሌሎችም በርካታ የትምህርት አይነቶችን ከ9ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም በአጭር ጊዜና በቀላሉ እንድትዘጋጁ የሚያስችሉ አጫጭር ኖቶችን፣ ቱቶሪያሎችን እና ጥያቄዎችን እያዘጋጀን እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ እያቀረብን እንገኛለን። ሁሉንም እንድትከታተሉ እንላለን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።